Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add a custom dual color 3D printer in Ultimaker Cura. So first of all, if you have already any 3D printer in Cura, so you will see an interface like this. So go to this menu and click on add printer, or you can also go to manage printer and then add another printer. So I will go to this add printer and I will choose non-Ultimaker, and you will see add a non-network printer here. So click this, and after this you will see this custom menu. So click this option and you will see custom FFF printer. So you can keep any name here, so I will just keep it as it is. So let's add this printer. After that you will have to insert some parameters for your 3D printer. So let's say I will insert here 700 x-axis, 700 y-axis, so my build plate is rectangular, so I will keep it rectangular. If you have height bed, you can enable height bed, or either you can disable it if you don't have height bed. And also you can choose the origin at center. After that, G code, keep it as Marlin, and here you can see start G code and end G code. So this is the G code that every printer will not every sorry this printer will perform these actions here. You can see G20 bit, first it will home, then it will move a little bit, then it will go to the motion that will be defined in your G code for every file. So this is the start G code, that means printer will perform these actions before starting your print. And this is the end G code. End G code means after completing the print, printer will perform these actions. So if you have number of extruder 1, you will keep it 1, but we are doing it for dual extruder, so we will keep it 2. So you will see here you have two options, extruder 1 and extruder 2. So let's move to the extruder 1. So we have nozzle size 0.4 mm. If you have 0.8 mm nozzle, so you can choose it 0.8. So I'll keep it 0.4. So if you have filament diameter of 2.85, you can keep as it is, but we normally use 1.75, so I'll keep it 1.75 here. And also cooling fan number, so if you have 1, then keep it 0, otherwise you can keep it 1 if you have 2. Similarly, for the second extruder we will do the same. Here we will insert 1.75 filament diameter, and nozzle size will be 0.4 mm, and here same cooling fan number. And you will see extruder start G code and end G code. If you add printer like this without adding nothing here, so what will happen in your 3D printer is when you will start print, so if you have dual color in your 3D printer and you have inserted two colors in your 3D print file, so when in your 3D printer the command will come for changing the color, so it will not happen. Why? Because you have not defined anything in start G code and extruder and G code. So first of all you will define start and end G code here. You can leave it empty start G code, but you will have to extruder and G code, you will have to enter it like park T0. So extruder 1 is your T0 and extruder 2 is your T1. So you will insert park T0 like this. So this is the command that you have in your firmware, either in Clipper or Marlin. Mostly in Clipper we use this park T0 function to park the head. So the parking position is defined in firmware, so we are just giving the command. So when you will make the G code from this printer, so what will happen, it will add automatically park T0 function after the color changing movement. So when the first color will be completed, so printer will do this command and park your first extruder, and it will go to the second extruder and it will start the printing second color. So similarly you will just copy this command here and you will enter here it is like thermistor 0 or thermistor 1. So this is for dual color 3D printer, and you can change it if you have defined anything else in your firmware. So we will just add it is. So this is how you can add your dual color 3D printer in Ultimaker Cura. There, these are the settings that you need to change for every color. So in the next video, I will tell you that how you can make a file for this 3D printer in Ultimaker Cura for dual colors. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, Allah Hafiz.